Today we're going to be talking about Showbie, which is a free educational app for teachers, students, and parents to use. You can find it on the iTunes App Store and Google Play Store. So when you first download Showbie, this is the first screen that shows up. You can either click See How It Works, which gives you a short video tutorial of how to use it, or you can click Sign Up for Free. So we're going to click Sign Up for Free, which leads to this screen, and like I said, you can either sign up as a teacher, a student, or a parent. You can also have multiple accounts so that you can, if you're both a teacher and a student, you can still utilize this app. So we're going to go ahead and click on I'm a teacher, and then we're going to do sign up with email. Just ask for some information for the teachers. And then this share code is if you had a friend that told you about Showbie, they have a share code on their page, and you can enter in the share code in order to get kind of connected with them. If you don't have a share code, you can skip this. Another thing with share codes is that all teachers have a share code for each of their classes, and so they can share that with their students in order for them to get connected to that specific class. So we're going to go ahead and skip that. And then it asks if you wanted to join a school. You don't have to join a school. You can skip it if you want to. I chose to do my high school, so I did Junction City Senior High. And then you can add a class, or you can skip it. I went ahead and did a business class. Next, it prompts you to add an assignment. You can skip this if you're not sure of what assignments you want to do, or you can go ahead and put in an assignment that you already know. I went ahead and skipped this. Okay, so this is the screen that comes up. This is kind of your home screen. As you can see on the left-hand side, that's kind of your toolbar, and it'll have all of your classes. So it has the business class, and as I explained before, it's going to have that class code right there, and each different class will have a different class code that you can share with your students. And as it says here, you can invite your students by sharing this class code, and then they can be like in that class. If you look at some of the settings, you can make a new class, you can join a class. Even as a teacher, you can join a different class that's already made. Say you're partnering up with a different teacher, you guys can both be connected into that class. And if you click new class, it'll have you type in a new one. It'll, like I said, it'll give you a different code. And then this is really important right here, is you can allow parent access. Parents can obviously create their own account on here, and then they're able to see their students' assignments, their kids' grades, and any comments that you've left on them if you want them to have access. And next we're going to look at joining a class. It'll just ask for the code, and then you can click join. And then going back to the main screen, I'm going to go ahead and click on my business class so we can take a look at what the options are there. And then it's kind of a similar layout with this. Right here, it'll have any assignments that you have. So we're going to go ahead and add an assignment there. It gives you some options with that. You can click a new assignment, set your class settings, look at the class members that are part of that class. So we're going to go ahead and click on new assignment. I went ahead and created an introduction assignment. It will prompt you for the due date, so let's click on that and take a closer look at what the assignment looks like. This is the next screen that comes up. It will have information here if there is some sort of instructions, and then this is like the Dropbox area where students' assignments will pop up. We're going to go ahead and click on the toolbar to see what our options are with each assignment. You can change the title name there. You can always change the due date, and then locking in the assignment means that once that due date has passed, they're not able to turn it in any longer, so it's a locked assignment. Or it means that the assignment has been closed. Then let's close that toolbar and click on Shared Folder. Shared folder is going to be where you can provide documents and resources to share with your students. There are a number of options available. You can put in photos, you can add comments, you can even do this in the form of a voice note. You can also add grades to this page. However, you want to be careful with this option just because if you add a grade to this page, it will actually assign that grade to the entire class. Since you're not looking at a specific student's profile, you're just looking at the entire class's profile. And those are the basics of the Showbie app. As you can see, it is an extremely simple app to use for teachers. It makes it really easy to stay connected with your students. It also is simple to use when providing feedback for their assignments, and it provides immediate feedback on top of that. So students are able to see immediately when their teachers have posted comments or posted a grade. So it is extremely easy to use, and anybody can utilize this tool, including parents and students.